Hi guys, I'm back. Oh Jesus Christ, that's loud. Oh Jesus. Ah! Oh God. Settings. There we go. We are we are playing Battle Cats. This is not sponsored, but I wish it would be. This being sponsored, don't even Pixel Flight. It's never gonna goddamn happen.
But for comedic value, I'm gonna put a cat CPU on.
The battle begins. Cats take over the world. Oh my God, that's flipping loud. There we go. This is going to be doing everything, so I'm not going to touch it. What is it doing? It knows it's supposed to deploy things, right? He just sent out my favourite cat, who's not really a cat, but he's classed as a cat. I love Mister. Especially when he evolves into flipping Mr. Sir. If you see anything wrong with my team, guys, this is my team. You see anything wrong with it, leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what I should do about my team. There's no way that half the time. Oh my God, he's not even sending out anything. Come on, Mister. Yes, Mister. Shoot him. Shoot her. And there he is. Oh, what did I drop? Oh, yeah, that's what I usually would do. Yeah, there we go. Come on, we need to get a Titanicata. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Said beep, beep, I'm sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm sheep. I'm not doing the cat CPU anymore. I just need to wait a little longer until this is night. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. It is on. Come on. We are gonna lose. He uses his blasters to kill ya. His name is. Then goes to Mr. So you better run away. Oh my God. There he is. Harambe. Harambe stalks his prey. Scientifically accurate, Mister. Woohoo! I'm dead. Yay! I didn't care. Right. So, I don't know what. Actually, no, that is a lie. Oh my, no. Now, story of legend. I want that cat. It's the Clear the Great Escaper for a chance to win Aaron Wolf cat. Wolf. Medias's touch. Now, I would never usually do this. Oh my God. But last time it was a troll and it was really easy. It was like called for fans, it was VR number 1. Gold in a coal mine. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what we get. Okay, this looks easy. Is it gonna be like a really hard boss gonna come out and like surprise? I'm coming for you. I'm gonna kill you now. Okay, you just stand right there and you can't do anything. Come on, mister. We're off to find adventure. Oh my god, Mister's overpowered. Really? There it is. Oh, we killed it. It drops like all the goals though when you kill one. Mate, another one just come out. I could take them all. Cause I'm summoning out Titan Cat. Oh my, there's 3 of them now. Okay, Mister, go, and now go figure skating cats. Don't kill my Nico. Who do you think you are? Oh my god, they won't die. Yeah, he's gonna punch you in the face. In the face. He's gonna like break your monocle. Yeah. Come on, Mister. Yes. Please say that's all of them gone. We did it. What did we get? 1 lucky ticket. We need to get little cats, guys. Come on, big money, get big money, 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 big money. What is it? Ah! Really? You doing this to me? I did get a little cat. I really want to use him. Because he's little fish cat. Little fish cat. I'm gonna use little fish cat. Yeah, he's so cute and adorable. Just want to cuddle him and snuggle with him. A little fish cat. I'm a little fish cat. No. Guys, no, it's 90 for Cats in the Box. God damn it. You outbested. I'm a little fish cat. I'm so adorable. I'm a little fish cat. What about little whale cat? Okay, I'm getting rid of Monico. But a little fish cat, because it's a little fish cat. And little fish cat's cute because he's a little fish cat. He's just little tiny. He's just little and tiny and Medias is touch. Now, am I going to get another little fish cat? Because I just want to try out little fish cat. If I can try out little fish cat, I still haven't done this. It's been going on for like... The sad thing is, this is what my friend does. She reads and then she never replies. When she replies, just a day with flipping fish fly. It's never gonna happen. I keep getting vibrations and I don't know what that is. So yeah. Can you get Crazy Lil Cass? Please, so you can somewhere in the universe get Crazy Lil Cass. I just want to Crazy Lil Cat. There's a zombie outbreak. Whereabouts? We always fail on these, but okay. He's a little cat. He's a little cat. Watch him dance and watch him pat. He's a little cat. He's a little cat. He's a little fish cat. It's Jeebus. Guys, it's Jeebus. Oh man, it's a lot cheaper flipping here. I'm waiting for my little fish cat. Oh look at it, it's like little tiny. And he can just, whoop, he's so cute, little tiny. Oh my god, he's strong for a little tiny fish. I'm just little tiny, I'm not gonna hurt you. Just come a bit closer. How much damage has he got though? Let's get Mr. in. Okay, guys, it's going to be the end of this episode. Peace out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.